So before I going to do suicide, I want to pursue my hobby, and my hobby is to make electronic gadgets. So I don't have money to buy an inverter. So that I want to make a solar charging module for my phone, only for a single phone. This is my hobby, so I'm doing this, but I don't want to whatever. So first of all, I open it up with a cover. I'm going to use this scissor which used in a operation by the doctors. I have this one. After a lot of struggle, I am only able to open this first one. Let me try for the next one. After a lot of struggle, I have this 4 solar. Either I have many more, but these are the older ones, and I have many more. As a raw material, I use first this one to charge my battery, and then after may this or this. These 3 modules are, but I have only 3. So this 3 module is used to charge the phone or anything. There we go. Because I have a lot of confidence, so I am not going to check it in a multimeter. I am directly after using the paper, I am going to join this. So after using these 3 things, I am here with my complete design. So here I am. This one is the polyphenol carbureted seed, and simply it's called pipe. So that's a joke. So here I joined this 4 solar with outer covering of PVC. After joining this hole in parallel, I obtain almost half ampere. It means so it takes almost 2 hours to complete 1 ampere. It means 1000 mAh. A battery is mainly 5000 mAh, so it takes 10 hours to full charge a single battery. This is a simple calculation which you can't understand. So after use of this simple diode, I am able to only flow the current towards the battery almost around 500 mAh, 5000 my phone single time. But because of the solar, it has unlimited source of supply, so it can charge my phone unlimited times. So diode has 2 legs. So there is a simple connection. You have to join one leg, which is black leg, to the solar panel, to the positive leg of the solar panel, and next you have to connect this towards the battery, and you're done. So So now it's time to assemble it. So here is the 2 battery, and this one is the power bank module. After using this Fevicol, I'm going to join it completely. This big lighter, a small lighter, and this small glue stick which I used to cover it down after melting it. So now it's time to check this gadget, or you can say a solar charging module.